This goes back there. Good. Okay, so leaning back. Good. And then roll you over. Keep leaning back. Yep. Awesome. Okay, lie flat on your back. Okay. So this one's a squishy hug. You're gonna hang onto your shoulders. And put my hand behind you. And then squishy from the front. So lean back. Good. More. Oh yeah. So good. Awesome. Okay, relax your arms down. And then maybe come up towards me a little. Good. So you're saying the pain is right in the center. Right there? Okay. More about there. Not as bad?
No.
So more on the right?
Yeah.
Okay.
There.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see the adjustments and then we'll do some massage just after, okay? So, you're gonna go to the left. Good. Let your head be really heavy. No helping.
Oh.
Good.
Oh.
I know. It seems startling. It's very gentle. Okay, we got one more. Nice and relaxed. Good. Awesome. It's great. Different techniques together. You get a better result, longer lasting, it makes it more comfortable, and you don't need to just adjust over and over and over again. That feels really good too, right, Leo?